Hey, Sheldon here from Titanium Professional Hydraulics. Wanted to take out the time to produce a short little video demonstrating our pump, the 2600 series. This is the S model, the standard size. We've got our air hooked up. I've got a gauge on it to a ram kind of welded into a shop press, which is going to give the pushback. And we're going to hear how it sounds, watch it build pressure, and see it go all the way up to just about the danger zone. And we're going to give a demonstration of how it sounds, how quickly, effortlessly, and quietly it builds the pressure, how it holds it, and then how the release function works. So let's go to it. Whoa, so there you have it now. Even after contact, you heard how the piston started to slow down a bit as it built pressure. And now you can see we're over the 10,000 pounds and it's holding really steady. Not my finger though. The release function on our pump, there's another pump on the market and you can tell which one it is because the pedal's rounded and it doesn't have a locking plate. So you have to sit and hold it the whole time. Ours, you can see, just locks in place. Gauge is down, oil is coming back, ram is retracting. Another few points that sets our pump apart from others is this aluminum sleeve that the piston goes through. It's got a really special coating on it that doesn't allow corrosion. We all know that there's moisture in the air. Our piston is openable to get inside because there's a series of seals and springs in there, and down the road that's important. Competition is using a plastic one that needs to be replaced if it goes dead, like this one is, because you can't get in there. That's an expensive part if you could even find it. The worst thing about some of the other pumps is that the sleeve for the piston is steel, and lots of shops don't have good ways of getting the air out, the water out of the air rather. And if you can look down there and see how it starts to pit and corrode, it'll tear up these seals and seize this. That happens all the time, but it wouldn't happen with our pump. Alright, a couple of other really interesting notes about our pump. Unlike most pumps on the market, we have a full metal vent with a brass knurled valve that opens and closes. This is real important. Most pumps come with a shipping plug that then has to be replaced. A lot of people don't do it, or the plug gets cross-threaded, clogged, and whatnot. Ours is a real simple clockwise, counterclockwise type valve. Make sure to leave this in the open position during use. If you're going to transport it, do close it. Our pump has a screen filter on the inlet for the air and also a screen filter on the oil outlet, so if the system is contaminated, particles are not allowed back in. We have a solid cast aluminum base and just a really strong, quiet pump, long-lasting, rugged and very affordably priced for y'all. And you can have a look at some of the other products in our listings. We've got the same type of pump mechanics with a larger reservoir, a medium-sized reservoir. We have really good quality quick couplers, custom made for us with our name etched on it, the ball type, which in my opinion is one of the best. And we're even launching a pump with a hand pendant. And I think for safety this is real important in some cases. A lot of y'all should be covering your chains on your pulls with blankets. I know a lot don't, but this allows you to operate the pump and stand away at a distance and apply pressure and release pressure with the buttons. So thanks for looking and good luck.